Today I'm having a night flight, and it's an international flight, and the destination is La Réunion in the Indian Ocean. That's the island between Madagascar and Mauritius. I'm here in the Bidwest lounge for a change, waiting for my flight coming from Réunion. This is my view from the lounge. There's the board. So my flight is at 23:45. And currently the flight is just north of Eswatini. Here, this is the plane I'll be flying with. And it's an Airbus A220. And there's quite an interesting story about the Airbus 220s. It is actually a plane that was developed by Bombardier in Canada. And then I think Airbus bought the range for $1 or something like that. Don't know if it's a US dollar or Canadian dollar. I think if they had bought it for a Canadian dollar, they would have made a better deal. I will put a link to the video that explains the whole story in the comments.
Mesdames, Messieurs, nous venons d'atterrir à l'aéroport Roland Garros, bienvenue à l'île de la Réunion.
Let's find the rental car companies, but I think they only open at 6:30 and now it's 5:51. From what I see, it looks beautiful. This is the car rental place. It's very beautiful. Unfortunately, it's all still closed. I guess I have to wait. And here's my ride for this weekend. Citroën. And it's dirty. Unacceptable. Driving in Réunion. With some Toto on the radio. A lady in the plane was telling me that traffic is sometimes quite a challenge here in Réunion, and yeah, she was right. This bridge is a kind of a landmark here, it seems. Looks like it's very low water now. It's all volcanic rock apparently. The lady in the plane also said they had an eruption recently. Volcanic eruption. So I want to see if I can get up the volcano this weekend. This is the guest house I'm staying in, Matilona. I think I'm there next to the wall. I'm quite hungry now, so that's why I'm on my way to the épicerie, which is a supermarket. I hope to get a baguette there or something. There is a shed here with 3 vending machines. Can get drinks and snacks and a coffee. But I will continue to the real supermarket. Oh, the supermarket is up there on the hill. This is quite a prominent location for a supermarket. You really have to climb this hill to get here. Better be open now. Nice views. This is quite a beautiful cemetery, directly at the sea. I think there's a path somewhere here, according to Google Maps. My word. This is beautiful. So the landscape here was formed by the Piton de la Fournaise. This is the volcano where I'll be going to tomorrow, hopefully. And I think all this coastline here on the east coast of Réunion is volcanic rock. That's why it's so black, I guess. Okay, let me continue on my expedition. There's a small harbor here, guarded by 3 cannons. And here we have the very impressive eastern coastline of Réunion. This harbour is quite deep, very clear water. Makes you want to jump in. I think this is a power station. Must be. Swimming prohibited. Is it because of the sharks or because of the power station? Let's have a closer look. Yeah, so it is hydroelectric power. And I saw these basins up there on the mountain. They are now hidden by the clouds. Oh, and these are the turbine wheels. So I think that's one of the turbine wheels that's in the generators to generate electricity. Very interesting. Good morning. It's 6 in the morning and I'm on my way to Saint-Pierre to do a helicopter ride.
Slight right to stay on N2.
stay tuned. According to Google Maps, I have about 1 hour 40 minutes to drive to my next destination. My route is from the east side of the island, from Sainte Rose, where I stayed, along the southern tip of the island on the N2, to the eastern side of the island to Saint-Pierre, where I will board the helicopter to do a tour of the whole island. There are always these birds on the road. It's a lava field here. The lava came down the mountain all the way into the sea, I think. The lava came from up there. great. If you ever come to Réunion, you have to do this helicopter ride. That's absolutely awesome. C'était très bien. Hein?
Ah oui, ah oui, ah oui.
This was a very special helicopter ride. It was the most beautiful one I've ever done, to be honest. So if you really have the chance when you're here, do it. And a little tip, what I did is I went to the Hilly Lagon website, and on very short notice I actually purchased that flight on a flash sale because they needed another person to fill a seat. So what normally costs about 350 euros, I got for 220. And for 220 euros, this was an amazing experience. I'm in Saint-Gilles, which is on the northwest coast of Réunion. And I was told Saint-Gilles is like the Saint-Tropez of Réunion. Should have come in a helicopter. Yes, I mean, this looks like a good place, doesn't it? This is quite a special place here. Very beautiful. It's quite empty now because it's not the main season. You can imagine that around Christmas here it's heaving. But the way it is now, it's actually amazing. I'm here at the moment, and I want to take the inland road, which goes quite high up the mountains, which are now actually hidden in the clouds, and then go back to Sainte Rose to the guest house. Good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday morning in Réunion. I'm on my way to the Piton de la Fournaise. We actually flew over it with a helicopter yesterday. It's a hike I want to do today before returning to South Africa. My flight back is only at almost 9 p.m. and now it's 6 a.m. so I have a whole day to spend.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Route Human Delisle.
This is the way to the crater. This is where we flew with the helicopter yesterday. And that's the ridge of the crater area. And this is the dirt road. So this is the road I'll be driving now to get to the hike up the crater ridge. Apparently the dirt road is very bad and full of potholes. Have to ride really slowly. It's a very bumpy road. I think you can't see it because of the image stabilization. Okay, so I have to park here and then make my way on foot. So somehow we have to get down that wall. And apparently there is a first crater, there are some people there. And then the way goes all the way up to the crater ridge. There's a helicopter, they're doing the same trip we did yesterday. So first I have to climb this wall, and luckily there are steps and a railing. This looks like a moon landscape. So we just climbed down this wall. 2 hours 45 minutes to the Piton de la Fournaise. There's the guy from Lithuania. He's also taking videos. And now I'm walking on the lava fields. So the Eiffel Tower could fit completely into the crater. Of course they're choosing the Eiffel Tower to compare. Lava field from 1957. Lava tunnel. The last stretch. What is it with me and islands with stairs? Kind of forming a habit, it seems. I'm up without interruptions. Okay, let's get something to drink. These things are actually making a lot of wind. So I am here at Roland Garros airport in Réunion. I managed to check in. Still have 2 hours before boarding.